Hi there, welcome to Lead Sync Link. I'm Sudhakar Ediga. I've been in digital marketing world for 8 years. These days you can see a lot of YouTube videos, people talking about digital marketing and everything, but I'm just making sure that I have at least the basic eligibility to talk about digital marketing and share some insights. I worked in multiple countries, including Australia, India, South Korea, and other multiple places. I also work with Amazon and Google. Today I'm going to answer a big question. What is SEO in digital marketing? I'll break it down in a way that is simple, clear, and easy to follow. Let's get started. So what is SEO in digital marketing? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. Kinda nerdy, right? But it's basically very simple. It's a way to make your website more visible to people searching on Google or other search engines for free. You don't have to pay a penny. All you need to do is optimize your pages so that you get being listed on Google search engine for free and get some more leads. Think about it like if you own a shop, would you rather it be a hidden street or the busiest one in the city, right? SEO puts your website in the busiest spot, so more people can find you online. That's why SEO is so important in digital marketing. The three main parts of SEO in digital marketing. Number one, on-page SEO. Let's talk about on-page SEO. This is all the stuff you can control on your website. Adding important keywords like what is SEO in digital marketing, for example, to your website's title and content. Write clear and catchy descriptions for your pages. Using tools like RankMath or Yoast SEO. These are the free plugins you can get and make sure that your web page is well optimized. Like meta title, meta description, better URL to rank first. It makes everything optimized. On-page SEO is like decorating your shop to make it look attractive and professional. Let's go to the second part, off-page SEO. Off-page SEO is nothing but you getting other websites to link to yours. Imagine your friends telling everyone about your shop. That's what backlinks do to your website. You can build your backlinks by creating high quality content that others want to share. Tools like SEMRush or Ahrefs help you track your backlinks and see how well you are doing with your compared to the competitors. Now coming to the third part, technical SEO. This is like making sure your website runs smoothly, making your website load faster, checking that it works well on phones and tablets, using a secure HTTPS connection. Google offers free tools like PageSpeed Insights to check and fix these things. 3 tips to boost your SEO in digital marketing. Always start with your keywords. Use tools like free Google Keyword Planner if you have a Google Ads account to find the exact words people are searching for. Like what is SEO in digital marketing? Create awesome content. Write blogs, make videos, and even podcasts that help your audience. Keep improving. Use Google Search Console to check how your site is doing and update it regularly. SEO is a journey, not a one-time thing. Here's a bonus tip. Always think about your audience first. If your website helps them, Google will help you by showing your site higher in search results. And that's the answer to what is SEO in digital marketing. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, Lead Sync Link, and hit that notification bell. I'll be here to sharing more tips and tools to help you grow online. Have questions? Drop them in the comment section. I would love to hear them. See you guys soon. Take care.